Hello again. Dozens of crews are still plowing the streets tonight, more than 24 hours after a snow emergency took effect across the Quad Cities.
Although that blizzard has passed, the work will be challenging for the next few days. In Davenport alone, more than 60 crew members are working into the night. The Public Works Director tells Fox 18 News that crews are now making their way into neighborhoods where they will be plowing continuously on 12-hour shifts until all that snow is cleared away. Fox 18's Tahera Rahman joins us live from Davenport with how crews plan to get it all done and how they say that you can help. Tahera?
Jim, Tiffany, a lot of you may have noticed that some of the bigger roads like Gaines behind me have gotten a bit easier to travel on throughout the day, but just around the corner here on Spalding, smaller roads like residential areas are a little bit trickier to navigate. Now that's because Davenport's Public Works Director says last night's main goal was to make sure the emergency roads were open. Crews finished clearing all posted snow routes earlier this evening, and now the goal is to finish off the more than 1,200 miles of public roads in the city, which she says can take more than 48 hours to get to each of those roads. Now here is what the city is working with tonight. Davenport has nearly 50 pieces of equipment on the road right now because of the sheer volume of the snow, nearly 14 inches in many areas. Several of those areas have to be plowed many times before they're fully clear. The Public Works Director, Nicole Gleason, says 66 people will be plowing non-stop until all residential roads are clear tonight. Normally that crew is split into alternating shifts. Now there's a way that you can help the effort. Since yesterday, 400 people have gotten tickets in Davenport for parking along snow routes. Gleason says neighbors should try to park in their driveways or on one side of the street to keep roads open for plows. Now Gleason is still urging caution when driving because even after these snow routes and these roads are plowed, she says she expects melting throughout the day and then refreezing over the next several nights. Live in Davenport, Tahera Rahman, Fox 18 News.
Tahera, thank you. There is